Don't rush to throw away lychee peels. Just steam them lightly, and you'll be amazed by their incredible benefits. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Who's addicted to eating lychees this season? Raise your hand. Peeling off that vibrant red skin, savoring the sweet, juicy flesh, it's truly an irresistible feeling. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. But did you know that seemingly useless peel is actually a forgotten treasure? Since ancient times, our ancestors passed down the saying, "Every part of the lychee is precious," with the peel having remarkable abilities to clear heat and detoxify the body. Today, I'll introduce you to the underrated, amazing benefits of this small fruit. It's lychee season, and they're abundant in the markets. If you love lychees, pay attention. Before eating, use scissors to cut each lychee. Cut close to the stem, but avoid exposing the flesh inside. Discard any spoiled, bruised, or diseased fruits. After cutting, you can enjoy those plump, sweet lychees. Don't throw away the peels after eating. Collect them instead. Lychee peels contain beneficial plant compounds like flavonoids, anthocyanins, polyphenols, vitamin C, and B. These substances have antioxidant properties, helping protect cells, boost immunity, support heart health, and potentially prevent certain types of cancer. Once you've gathered a good amount, prepare a large basin and put the peels in it. Then, add a bit of table salt and baking soda to the basin, followed by plenty of clean water. Stir with your hands to fully dissolve the salt and baking soda. Next, soak the peels in this mixture for about 7 minutes. Don't underestimate these 7 minutes. They not only clean, but also disinfect the peels. After the time is up, start scrubbing the peels thoroughly with your hands. Scrub firmly. Don't hold back. The uneven surface of lychee peels easily traps dust and may retain pesticide residues. Baking soda neutralizes many acidic pesticides. Salt has antibacterial properties. Thanks to this combination, the peels are deeply cleaned. Don't believe it? After scrubbing for a while, the water turns yellowish and full of debris. Proof that this method is highly effective. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Since the surface has a lot of dirt and impurities, after scrubbing, rinse the peels with clean water several times until the water runs clear. Remove the peels and let them drain completely. Next, fill a steaming pot with clean water and bring it to a vigorous boil. When steam rises, place the steaming rack on top and spread the peels evenly. Avoid overlapping to ensure they all steam uniformly. Cover the pot, adjust to medium heat, and steam for 15 minutes. In the hot steam, the thin peels soften, the vibrant red skin slightly curls, and the cellular structure breaks down due to heat. The cell walls rupture under high temperatures, releasing enzymes like polyphenol oxidase, preparing for their medicinal benefits later. Opening the lid, you'll notice a subtle, herbal-like aroma, a sign that the nutrients are being released. Pour the steamed peels into a pan. Turn on high heat and stir-fry quickly to evaporate the moisture. When you see less steam, lower the heat and continue stir-frying evenly to avoid burning. Use a spatula to gently press while stir-frying to help the remaining moisture escape faster. As the ancients said, 1 lychee brings 3 parts heat. Lychee flesh is heat-inducing and can cause internal heat. Meanwhile, the peel acts as a natural fire extinguisher, neutralizing the heat from the flesh. However, using it raw is less effective. After steaming and stir-frying, the bitterness softens, and its medicinal properties become milder. Whether boiled for tea, used in soups, or cooked in dishes, it can promote wellness. When the peels turn pale, emit a rich aroma, and make a crisp, crackling sound, they're done. Turn off the heat immediately. After turning off the heat, continue stirring for a few minutes to let the remaining steam evaporate. Let the peels cool, then take them out. If the weather is good, sun-dry them until they're brittle and make a crack sound when lightly crushed. Once completely dry, the peels can be stored for up to a year without worrying about mold. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Whenever you need them, just take some out. Very convenient. Lychee peels are a traditional ingredient, and after processing, they have many uses. Stir-frying them dry extends shelf life, makes them portable, reduces mold risk, and saves space. To use, take a suitable amount of dried peels and place them in a cup. You can add some goji berries to taste for extra nutritional value. Add a few rock sugar cubes. Pour in boiling water. Stir gently and wait a few minutes. When the water is warm and no longer too hot, you can drink it. The tea has a subtle aroma, blending the sweet scent with the roasted peel's fragrance, refreshing and pleasant. Drinking lychee peel tea consistently offers many benefits. The peels contain natural volatile compounds that reduce bad breath, keeping your breath fresh. It helps regulate conditions like phlegmy coughs caused by bodily dampness. Its natural components have calming effects, aiding sleep when consumed before bed. It gently stimulates digestion, perfect after greasy or heavy meals. If you feel overheated from eating lychees, drinking lychee peel tea is an excellent way to cool down. Truly, the wisdom of our ancestors lies in these small details. This method is simple and requires no special skills. If you're a lychee lover, don't miss out. Processed lychee peels need proper storage. Prepare a clean, dry, airtight jar free of water or oil. Place the fully dried peels inside. Seal the lid tightly and store in a dry, well-ventilated place. This way, you can make wellness tea anytime, conveniently and hygienically, without worrying about mold. So, after eating lychees, don't throw away the peels. With just a few minutes of processing and storage, you'll have a ready-to-use ingredient for delicious, refreshing, and easy-to-make wellness tea. Try it today. That's all for this content. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and share so your friends can learn too. Click the profile picture to follow the channel and discover more tips and exciting recipes. See you in the next video.